Okay, today's question is about the quiz 3 in Redu. For the question 1, it asks us to write a function integers n that prints the first n consecutive positive integers left justified on a line. It informs us to use the function like print x dot n equals to or what. And as a sample, it shows as follows. So the first things we need to do is make the definition of the integers n. Like the definition integers n. Like why we need to do this is print in consecutive positive integers that justify on a line. So this is the point we need to do, and we should use a loop like for I in range I from n plus 1. We can see the example is while you import 1, it outputs 1. While you import 2, it outputs 1 and 2 as the same line. So what we need to do is print, use the function as print I n equal to something. We can try this. Like if you import 2, if it can run, we can see that. Oh, there's something wrong. Oh, I forgot this. So we can run it again. Okay, there's something wrong between that. We need to run this. Yes, it outputs 1, 2 as the same line, and we can also change the import like 5. It also outputs the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the same line. So the second question is, now we need to use integers as a help function to write a function triangle of integers n, which prints as follows. So how we can do that? So we should use the first one as a help function and make another definition for the triangle of integers, like definition triangle of integers like n. How we can do this is print n integers on the first line and n minus 1 integers on the second line, blah blah. and integers on the inside. We should also use a loop like for I in range. From the example, we can see it is decreased from the first line to the end line, and on the same line, it also do the question one's function. How we can do this? We should use a decrease like n till 0 and decrease 1 on each line, and then use the first questions function like integers in I. If we should solve the problem like make it have no like none, just like print something. So we should add print here. At last, we can run it again. Like triangle of integers like 5. We can see if it can run successful. Oh, there's something wrong with that. We need to try. Oh, there is some wrong with the word. So it shows no define. Yes, it can run successfully now. So this answer for question 1. And we can see the question 2. It asks us to write down some function to the triangle of integers, and which print out a triangle of integers as follows. We can see as each line, he should import 2 numbers. The first number is each line's first number, and the second number is each line's just like each line's number. How we can do this? Okay. And how we can do this? So the same way is we need to make a definition for the help function, like definition integers from n c. N is equal to the first number which I need to import is c. It means integers account, the number of each line we need to output. For I in range what I can get from the example is each line starts from the number n and n to the number n plus c, because the second number for the first number is +1, until end is plus, like 3 plus 4 is 7. So n plus c for the end, and he output is n plus c minus 1. So that's what I mean. Like print. We should print the things has the same line. It's like I n equals 2. So we can see if it can work successfully, like integers 3 to 6. Oh, there's some wrong. Okay, the things is not defined, so we should change it like says. Okay, yes, it can work successfully. So the second one is it allows us to use a appropriate help function like this one to output like the second example. How we can do this is do the same thing, make the definition of the triangle of integers like n, c, then print for I in range. It also decreases for each line, so it's c tier 0 and each is -1. So what we need to print is we should use the first question's help function is like integers 1, n, and I. We can see if it can run successfully, like triangle of integers like 3 to 5. We can run it. Okay, there's something wrong for that. Oh, we should do this like print. So it can make sure the function to utilize the second example. We should run it again, see what happened. Yes, it can work successfully. So this question for the Redo Quiz 3. Thank you.